Hey everyone, so you're thinking about buying a tiny home in 2025? Whether it's for a cozy retreat, a minimalist lifestyle, or just an affordable housing option, tiny homes are all the rage. But the big question is, should you buy from Amazon or Home Depot? Today we're going to break it down. Price, customization, shipping, assembly, and customer reviews. Let's dive in. First up, price and value. Amazon offers tiny homes starting under $10,000. Seriously, that's less than the cost of a used car. Home Depot, on the other hand, has a range of DIY kits that can stretch your budget a bit more. But does a higher price mean better value? Not necessarily. Next, let's talk customization. Amazon's prefab homes come in various styles and sizes, but options for customization are pretty limited. You're mostly looking at what you see is what you get models. Home Depot, however, gives you more flexibility with their DIY kits. You can tweak designs, choose different materials, and really make the space your own. If you're a DIY enthusiast, Home Depot might be your playground. Now, on to shipping and assembly. Amazon is known for its lightning-fast delivery. Some models can be at your doorstep in just a few days. Home Depot, not so much. Their delivery might take weeks, and assembly can be a bit of a project. Amazon's homes often come pre-assembled or require minimal setup, which is a huge plus if you're not a fan of building stuff from scratch. Customer reviews and warranty are crucial. Amazon has a ton of real buyer feedback, and overall the reviews are pretty positive. People love the quick delivery and affordability. Home Depot has solid reviews too, but some customers have noted issues with missing parts or complicated instructions. Both companies offer warranties, but make sure to read the fine print. So, which is the better choice? If you want fast delivery, less DIY work, and a lower price, Amazon might be your best bet. But if you love customization and don't mind a bit of a project, Home Depot could be the way to go. Check out the link in the video description and comments to browse Amazon's best tiny homes. And let me know in the comments, would you choose Amazon or Home Depot for your tiny home? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home buying tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.